कौन? रोशनी चोपड़ा।
रोशनी
चोपड़ा
नाम सुना हो यार, ये कौन सी एक्ट्रेस है, कौन सी मूवी में काम की?
टीवी में आती है, एक दो फिल्म में की है, चली नहीं, निकली नहीं फिल्म, बंद डिब्बे में बंद रह गई।
निकल देना।
You know, it's an exhibition showing the fashion of different countries from Dubai to Pakistan. So, what do you have to comment on it?
Actually, I grew up in Dubai. मैं 10 साल की उम्र में my parents had shifted there, so मैंने और मेरी बहन दिया ने we spent about 8 years there. And Dubai is really an international fashion hub, जहाँ Indian, Pakistani, European, American सारे styles, you know, sort of blend into one nice melange. So I think it's a very trendy city, right up there on the map with London or New York. And I'm happy that our label, Roshni Chopra Design, is going to be in Dubai. So I'm very excited क्योंकि जो label हमने launch किया है, Roshni Chopra Design, that's going to be in Dubai at their store. Or I think it's a great place to be. You know, it's like putting your label on the map and putting Indian fashion on the map.
What really inspired to be part of this business, fashion business?
I've always been inspired by fashion. पहले मैं अपना सारा पैसा fashion पे खर्चती थी. I used to spend all my money on fashion, and now my husband jokes that at least now you're making clothes that other people are buying, so you're earning something from it as well. But it's always been a passion. It's a way of life. It's a way of expression for me. It's a way of saying who you are today without opening your mouth. You know. So yeah, I think it's a second nature for me. And for every girl. And if you see, India is really catching up with trends as well. People are becoming a lot more experimental, and people are happy to be fashion forward, you know, not just play safe. So it's an exciting time to be a designer.
And what do you have to comment on the growing scenario of the fashion industry in India?
Oh, most definitely. The fashion industry is growing leaps and bounds. And what's really nice is that people from outside of India are sitting up and taking notice of fashion in India. I was just in the Maldives, you know, on a holiday, and I was wearing something from my label, and there were European people asking us, oh, where do we get this from? How do we order? So I think it's a very ebullient time for Indian fashion, and it's a great time to be in the scene and to be a designer and to be out there and express yourself and your art.
Thanks, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I should show it on Sammy, come here. The girl, and I think something like this will look very nice on her. You like it? So do I love it. Rito, wait!
What does fashion means to you, basically?
What does fashion means to any girl, I guess, not even girl, actually men these days too. I guess fashion is all about, you know, opening your closet and try to look not different, but yeah, try to look nice and, you know, get together everything and do something with your own, set of stuff, add something new to it, maybe just a piece of jewelry sometime, maybe just a piece of, something like a shrug or, something. It's not necessarily means that you go and shop something, upside down and change your wardrobe. Totally means like rearranging your wardrobe and rearranging yourself in the, in the same clothes, and that's what fashion means to me.
Many actors from Mandira Bedi to Shraddha Kapoor to Roshni Chopra is launching her label as such. What comment do you make on it?
I guess being an actor, you always dress so well, and there's so many people who are always like around you, and so the clothes are something which comes to your mind the first, and you are so used to wearing so many different things, so the idea gets filled up in your head so many times. Like so many times when I am shooting, I wish maybe it was not like this and it was like this. So I guess it starts from there, and some people have an amazing interest in it, and so why not?
And which Indian designer you look forward to? I mean, you really.
Actually, not anybody in particular. I guess I like a mix of everything. As in, like, if I have to pick up something, I won't pick up just like a full set of somebody. I might, mix and match stuff. So if I have to wear something for my wedding or something, then it'll be like the typical ones like Sabyasachi or the blouse, because it's just like most Indian and authentic look, and that's it.
And in the last decade, how far the fashion scenario has changed, the fashion sense, the thinking of a person?
See, the best thing is about these days is that even the people who are, going to the college, and people who are, just like going for an interview or a meeting, or maybe just for a general thing like a dinner, or maybe just going out for a drive, for a coffee. Everything has a, like a change of look or a wardrobe, whether they add a hairband in the evening or whether they, just change their shoes or something. They do make that effort and they do make that change, just to have an ice cream. So, just have casually dress. If they go into a restaurant, they might just like put a pair of earring with a, a same shirt. So I guess that's what has changed is like people do make an effort to not just wash the face, to change accessories and the top.